Are you pondering on how to immigrate to Canada through the permanent residency pathway and you don't know how to go about it? You are in luck. This is a video for you. The first step is you need to take an English proficiency test, either IELTS, CELPIP, or PTE core. You need to take any of these English tests to evaluate your English proficiency. That's the first step. The second step is to go through ECA for the verification of your results and transcripts. What is ECA? ECA is the Educational Credential Assessment. They are in charge of the verification of your result and transcript to confirm the authenticity of this document. After verification, you need to send this transcript and the results to WES, WES. They're in charge of evaluating your results. After evaluation, then you move to the next step. Note that the WES evaluation for educational credential assessment for Canada attracts a cost of 240 to 264 Canadian dollars. To immigrate to Canada, you have two options. You can immigrate through the express entry pathway or the provincial nomination. For people from 8 to 30 years, I would suggest you apply through the express entry pathway. But if you're above the age of 30, I would suggest applying through the provincial nomination. The reason being that if you're above 30 and you apply through the express entry pathway, it's like the express entry pathway is like a point-based system. So if you're above 30, your points drop drastically. For the provisional nomination, they advertise a lot of job placement and all that. Depending on your skill set, you can apply through the provincial nomination. You upload your results and your transcript and you build a CV to fit their profile. So if you are selected, the province will submit your application or your profile to the express entry. And after submission, note that if you're selected, you get 600 points like that. So it is better you apply through the provincial nomination if you are above 30. The province does like a visa lottery, but in this situation, it's like they do like a lottery on a point-based system on a yearly basis. And if you're lucky and your profile gets selected, you'll be sent an invitation to create an express entry profile. Once you have created your express entry profile, then express entry would inform you to furnish them with your documents, which is your international passport, your transcripts, and your results verified by ECA, that is the Educational Credential Assessment. You submit your reference from your previous employers and your pay stubs or your pay slip. After you must have done this and everything checks out, you get a notification from the embassy in your preferred location to come for your biometrics and your medicals. So that is the last stage. Then after everything checks out, your permanent residence will be approved. Then you can travel to Canada to proceed with your permanent residence. Note that approving your permanent residency from your country of residence is not complete. The process starts immediately you land in Canada. After landing in Canada, then they start counting the days. Okay, you can apply for your permanent residency card. The card will be sent to your mailing address. And note that you have to remain in Canada for minimum of 3 years. Thereafter, you can apply for your Canadian citizenship. If you have any questions concerning this video, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help. If you like this video, please give this video a like. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you for your time and see you on the next one. Bye.